I'm Shahida Parveen, and I'm a certified NLP coach and practitioner of timeline therapy from the American Board of NLP and the Timeline Therapy Association. And I'm also working as a lecturer of English linguistics in Islam University of Bahawalpur. And I'm currently pursuing my degree in PhD in linguistics as well, which is also based on neurolinguistic programming. The thing is that at the time I registered with Rabab Sayyid's Institute, it was, a new bud that had to turn into a rose at some time, but it was just a bud at that time. Okay. But from the moment I talked to her, I knew that she was my person. And I could feel that I have known her forever. The kind of bonding we shared, she clicked, from the very first moment. And then that journey of 2 to 3 months in which we had to, prepare for, associate practitioner level. We In that time she offered us so much, help and support that we were convinced that yes, there is going to be a ultimate change and a breakthrough in our lives, and it is much needed, and our expectations were set. But what I think at that time, my expectations were not that much as I see right now, because I gained much better than my expectations from the process. So first 3 days they were full of thrill, excitement, and I loved the way Rabab, and she also made us call her Rabab. She did not, create a formal bond with us at any time. And she used to tell, okay, don't call me madam. It feels like, awkward to her. And we got comfortable in calling her by her name. So those 3 days, they were like that I was living in a stone age before, and now I have, opened up my eyes to a very different, era in my life, and the whole chapter of my life, has changed. It's like a big flip in the book of my life story. It's a huge turning point. And those 3 days made me realize, okay, how much I had been, retaining the stress, the anxiety, whatever I was feeling before, all that pain that I was holding within, and that burden that had, that was there on my shoulders. And I loved volunteering for, interventions, and I used to be so inquisitive and excited to learn more and more and create breakthroughs for myself, that I even volunteered myself for the timeline therapy as well and other interventions, which helped me a lot in overcoming the day-to-day, limiting beliefs and the negative thinking or negative emotions that I was holding inside of me, which I was not even sure about. And once I, went through the process, I was like, wow, this is amazing. This is magical. It's like why I didn't know about it earlier, like why I was not familiar with this thing before. But then I was grateful for this, and I said, okay, Alhamdulillah, right now this is what I needed, and the right place and right time. I found the right person and right platform. Rabab Sayyid Institute, her whole team, she herself, the IT team, they were always there for us throughout the process, and they guided us. Then they partnered us up with our co-trainees who were also learning together with us. And those practice sessions were also really good, and we were so enthusiastic. We used to ask each other, okay, can you do this practice with me? We used to ask other members in the group as well, okay, would you like to join us? We are going to have this intervention, and we would like, okay, you should be there to watch us how we are doing, and tell us their observation. And we used to offer each other help and guidance. So we kind of became a family, and
Exactly.
the love that we received from each other, it was wonderful. Since I am a linguist, I learned about
Mhm.
NLP first time during my studies of MPhil. Since neurolinguistics programming is a branch of linguistics, and I was really fascinated by this field. And then one day, about 1 year ago, I saw an ad on Facebook in which Rabab was offering us a very lovely, interesting, and a free session on NLP regarding the child within. And I just, registered myself over there and got in touch with her. And here I am. Alhamdulillah. So, since you have asked me to relate only one, because I have had so many breakthroughs, and
Mhm.
every one of them was really important and awesome.
Yeah.
Because once I created those, I learned how important it was for me and how important it is going to be for me in future. After creating those breakthroughs, I feel like I'm a new person. I am not the
Oh, dear.
old self anymore. I have shunned that old shell of mine, and I'm like a butterfly who is in the cocoon, and there's that butterfly opens her wings and just flies. I feel just like that. So
Mm.
one important breakthrough was when I was in the practitioner level, and we were having timeline therapy. Okay, and for anger and sadness, and I volunteered myself for that session. And you know in that moment, because I was going through some issues with my family, and I was in actual pain, because I was really sensitive towards my mother, and her health was deteriorating day by day. And she was not getting the kind of care she needed. And it was causing me a lot of pain, because I was doing job in another city, and she was in a different city. And from the distance that we had, I was not able to take care of her properly. And I started blaming others, and I started shaming my family, and I was like justifying it to, okay, not they are not doing what they need to do, and I am not able to do what I need to do. And it was a kind of painful thing for me. And I was actually in a real dispute with my father at that time, and we had rough days, and we were not able to cope up with each other as a family. So I kind of had broken my communication with my family. And I remember that I had a conversation with Rabab once or twice on this topic, and she heard me for an hour and more than that. And I kept crying and telling her about my whole issue. And she means kept listening me, gave me time, and then she related her personal life story and her metaphors, which inspired me. Okay, I'm not alone in this. Okay, there are other people who have gone through similar issues. Because this is the beauty of NLP, that when you share metaphors and experiences with each other, you learn a lot from that. And I learned from her. And she told me, okay, right now I must, because I was extremely at effect at that time. I was, you know, not taking the responsibility of my choices. Okay, so she made me come to pause. She made me come at pause, and told me that only I am responsible for my life, and I am responsible for all the good things and bad things, all the success or all the failures. This is who I am, and I must accept things as it is. Only I can change myself. I can't change anybody else. I cannot
Yeah.
change my family. I cannot change my
Beautiful.
siblings, but I can work on myself. And this is how she made me go through those therapies, those interventions. And then I volunteered for an timeline therapy for anger and sadness. I remember, okay, I was demonstrating it in front of people as well. Like I volunteered, okay, I am okay with open discussion. And I was crying so hard when I went to meet my younger self, and that was the breakthrough I needed. That I was able to go and hug my younger self and say the kind
Beautiful.
words that it wanted to hear. And it was such a magical moment. Like, really, is it possible to go back in time and meet the younger version of yourself and, feel that child and say the things that you want to hear as an adult? Now you can say everything. And then the amazing thing is that you are still in that moment, you are stuck as a child, but now as an adult you are looking at that situation, you're taking so many learnings from that. Okay, if that had not
Yeah.
happened, you wouldn't be here, you wouldn't be the person you are right now. People around me in my life and my circle, my colleagues, my friends, they say, Your aura has shifted so much, that it was always strong, but it has become so positive, so warm, and they feel it, like the energy in a room shifts when I am there, and I feel it myself as well. Like my
Wow.
presence makes a difference, in the people, and in my and also to add,
Mhm.
like recently, I was back to my home,
Mhm.
and I was able to communicate with my family members with whom I had not talked for like a very long time. So, a wonderful thing happened. I recently had my an exam for a PhD, in which I
Uh-huh.
had to, perform a written test and then an interview as well. So, in interview, they asked me about my research interest, and I said to them that it's neuro-linguistic programming.
Mm.
In professional life, as I am a linguist and I'm a lecturer by profession, I'm a teacher, my communication with my students has changed a lot. The way I, teach now through linguistics, the kind of language I use, it is so focused that it leaves a long term impact on my students, that my students love my lectures, and they are so enthusiastic to be in my class. And the activities, some activities that I learned in NLP, some I have done with my students on individual
Mm.
level as the and being, it is a common belief that a teacher has to be a good psychologist, but I think that every teacher needs to, focus on neurolinguistic programming. They should learn this, they should go through the contents of it, and they should go through this training process, because when they are going to look at, from after NLP, when they are going to look at their students, they will see them as important. They are the future, and you have a
Exactly.
generation on which you can work in a positive way and create, a new world for them.
Wow.
When they are going to go become adults, and when they are going to go into the market for jobs, when they are going to work together with other people, they will be better person, they will be a better individual. Yeah. Normally people think that online trainings are just wastage of time, and there are so many issues like internet connection, voice quality, and sometimes there are trust issues as well, that we are paying, and we may not be getting the right outcome of out of it, and whether they are trustworthy or not, and all these things are there. And yes, all those beliefs are there, but when you trust someone and you build trust, and the institute is putting so much effort, they themselves are telling you about the whole process, like when they were going through their own registration process with the ABNLP and the platform, they walked us through the whole process, and they shared each and everything with us. So there was nothing like that. And as far as the quality of sessions, it was 100%, or rather I would say 200%. uh, there is a very beautiful quote of Rumi, that whatever you are seeking is already seeking you. You know that whatever you want to learn, whatever barriers you are facing, they're right there inside of you, and only you can, help yourself and create breakthrough for yourself. And once you get on with it, once you become aware of it, okay, this is where I should start looking inside myself. This is where I need to understand myself. This is where I need to journey into myself and create, a pathway for myself. You know, that is the day, your learning starts and your breakthrough moment starts. And NLP, I am sure right now, maybe you are not going to understand the value of it, the importance and the worth of it. But believe me, every minute and every second that you invest in it is worth investment. Is much more than that. The output that you are going to receive at the end of it, the learnings that you are going to generate, and the breakthroughs you are going to create for yourself, and you will be creating it for yourself. So I have recently, introduced my business card as well, and they can approach me through my Facebook account, and they can easily join me through email. I will share my email with you as well, which you
Sure,
can
please.
display at the end of this video, so that if anybody wants to reach out to me and take help from me as a coach, I would love to work with them, and I'm always eager to help anybody create breakthroughs for themselves.